Welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting a new series using the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. Just like with the Lemonade Craze palette, we're going to be going through and doing all the looks that are suggested on the back. I wanted to show you guys how to do those, and then we're going to do a few of our own. If you're interested in the Lemonade Craze series, I will put links in the description box. But today we are going to be working on Root Beer Pop on the back of Soda Pop palette. So first we're going to start by priming our lids with the Maybelline Master Prime Eye Primer, and we are going to do look number 1, Root Beer Pop on the back. First we're going to be applying chilling all over the lid, all the way up to the brow bone, and that is going to be our kind of base, as well as our brow bone highlight. And the next shade we're applying is Cherry Cola. This shade is so creamy. I actually thought it was a cream eyeshadow, but it's just so creamy, so pigmented, just gorgeous. And if you have green eyes, this beautiful crimson shade is really going to make your eyes pop. This look alone for green eyes is going to make your eyes pop, because there's an orange and a red both involved. And I'm just applying that to the lid, and I'm actually taking my time with this because this shade is so pigmented, but there was a lot of fallout with it, so I took my time on this eye to avoid a lot of fallout. So kind of just did patting and dragging and built the color up. So I'm taking a fluffy blending brush, and I am just blending down the edges of the red there, cherry. And I'm going to take Cola Float, and this is our crease color. And I think in the pan it looks kind of brown, but actually when you start applying it on your eye, it's definitely like an orange shade. It's so pretty too, and at first I was like, I don't know about this look, but then after I got finished, and it just, my green eyes are so bright and green. Like, I love a good look that does that for my eyes, and it really makes them stand out. And this look is actually really nice. Now, some of the looks on the back, I will say that they seem a bit summery, but that's okay. We're still gonna do them. I'd still rock this. It's beautiful. And I just built that color up in the crease, and we're going back in with chilling and just reinforcing that as our highlight. Blend, 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 blend till you get a seamless blend there. We're gonna take and blend down the edges of Cola Float with the highlight shade Chilling, and then we're gonna take Root Beer Float and apply that to our upper lash line like eyeliner. And this is basically where this look of directions stop. And I'm going to clear out my lower waterline with a Q-tip, and I'm also going to apply the Root Beer Float to my lower lash line, even though it doesn't suggest. A couple extra steps I added. So if you were following the back, you would just do the upper eyeshadow and then do your mascara and stuff. But I wanted the Root Beer Float on the lower lash line as well, so that's what I done. And then I also took Tonic, not mentioned on the back, and I highlighted my inner corner. I've been really into highlighting my inner corner lately in every look I do, so I done that. And of course we're going to tightline with our Milani Stay Put eyeliner. And you could do a nude waterline if you'd like, it's all up to you. And I'm using the Maybelline Curvitude mascara, which I love, and we're just applying that mascara. And then your eyes are complete. They turned out so nice. It is a pretty put together look. It's very nice. And of course I'm using my Maybelline 920 Nude Lust lipstick. Yes, once again guys, I just love this lipstick. And I just think it goes perfect with any look you can throw at it. Like, that lipstick goes with everything. Now I have used the Hard Candy Matte Setting Spray, and we are completely done, and that wraps it for the first look using the Soda Pop palette. Hope you guys enjoyed it, found the video helpful. If you haven't already, please subscribe, ring the bell, and like the video if you haven't already. It means so much to me. And stay tuned for more Soda Pop palette makeup tutorials. Thank you guys again for watching.